AI News Alert. AI News Alert. The next generation of Llama. Llama 2 is here, and it's available for free download, installation, and modification for research or commercial purposes. Llama 2 is a family of state-of-the-art open-access large language models, ranging from 7 billion to 70 billion parameters. Its main difference from Llama 1 being the doubling of its context length to 4096. Meta also released Llama 2 Chat, a fine-tuned model optimized for dialogue that utilizes reinforcement learning from human feedback to ensure safety and usefulness. Llama 2 Chat models have been trained on over 1 million new human annotations. This model is already available on Microsoft, Azure, AWS, and Hugging Face. Regardless of your platform of choice, you'll have out-of-the-box straightforward access to Llama 2. This open-source approach has a focus on accountability with a transparency backbone, responsible usage guidelines, and usage policies. Have you tried it yet? Do you want to stay informed about AI developments? Follow us.